W who's in Australia. So I don't use hoverboards because I've only used them like once. And that was because I was in a bad spot.
I only use the
hoverboard. You just got that for 1,000 points, so meaning you're closer to that 20,000 you need. So we were talking about him getting the ninja. If you guys have watched. Okay, look, this is what I get if I get all the letters. You got money, I get an extra buck. So honestly, because it popped up on your thing, it said world thing complete. You spotted Zuri.
I just jumped to a train.
Yo, Caleb's gonna have to make a video, and you guys are gonna
how do
see
you
his
get that app after? I'm gonna finish this round, then you're gonna help me with that.
I don't know if it's on here. That's the thing.
But how'd you get that app?
It's on your device. I just went to the app store and downloaded Mobizen. That easy.
Jetpack.
Stop taking risks like that one. Yep, I'm dead. Maybe that's when I should have used a hoverboard. I have to spell out the word Zuri.
No, what?
I have to spell out the word Zuri.
I have
canceled the jetpack thing.
That's bad then. What if
I have to spend 2,000 coins and I'm like, I'm saving up my money. I don't want to spend that.
No, we're going over there because Daddy's doing the laundry there, but we're going over there.
Oh shoot, I got hurt. Go away.
My slide doesn't work. I was using doing this and it was on.
It's called terrible touchscreen.
It's like, so you want to keep going?
Using it too hard.
No, it's so perfectly fine.
How do you know that?
Have you seen my pictures? They are cool. Yeah, but like, here's the sky.
Oh my god, I'm dead. Because my arm itches. Cool. No, yes. I got the R. God. There's a... And that's what I can't beat my high score.
This is so hard.
What, getting ninja?
Yeah, and also beating my...
See, once you get a high score, you can't beat it.
I went Disney.
Yes, this is it.
I got it.
No! I got it! What?
You got
I
what?
spiked down, no way. See, you got money, I got...
180, 190, that's what I need too. Who wants Spike?
I know, I don't even want him. He's ugly. That's why I didn't level it up. Like, if it was the alien girl, I think the alien girl looks cool. I think I might get her.
She's a zombie.
Zombie, the alien girl that you can get from the mystery box.
What's her name?
Zuri, or Zenori, I think. Zenori.
Oh, Zoe's the,
zombie girl.
Yeah, Zoe's the zombie.
I think Zenori.
I think Zoe is the game. It's a zombie. 10 Pokemon without.
Like COD 2.
$300. So,
that's 30,000.
You're close. Kind of.
Ish, maybe 30,000. Yeah, not really.
You have 18. Close enough.
Why aren't you getting the zombie? The zombie's cool. 18 tires.
Zoe had more. I think I have more money than Zoe.
Yeah, I just got 18 tires.
You missed my 19th tire. I could have now got 20 tires if I didn't get the jetpack.
I'd rather have the jetpack than have a tire. Completing the world's tour does not do anything.
I need the money. And now I just
You get like 150 coins out of it.
That's a good thing.
I get 150 coins out of a normal run, you know?
I get like 200.
Like right here.
I guess it's like
300. Oop, 19 out of 20. One more.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Said lucky.
Pretty cool, except for all he used was a gun, which is boring compared to superpowers in Marvel, but whatever.
Batman doesn't have superpowers, you like him.
You remember when Bucky became Captain America? Oh my god! Jeez, man, I almost had it. The stupid thing went to speed. I like the way the cop looks in this one, honestly. All around, let me see it from the back.
Oh wow, I jumped over a bullet. Oh no.
Okay, Caleb, I'm going. My score is times 6. Oh god, can I make it times 6 again? Because there's another times 2. Yes.
How?
Get my score
What did
times
I
6,
do?
so I can
What did I do? Tell me.
I'm good now. Can't get closer to beating my objective. Sorry, my hair keeps getting in my face and I'm blowing my hair out of my face. Bad looking hair. Yes, got him, coach. What?
I'm saying a lot.
Oh my god, okay. My score. Isn't your score like really hard to beat? Like,
Yeah.
I hate trying to beat my score because I'm really good at this. No offense to anyone who's bad at this, but like, I'm good at this.
I do good at this. And it's harder than my score to do.
Like, I'm better than you. You just have a